Tattoo care begins during your tattoo appointment and continues long after your tattoos are healed, which is why I use the Mad Rabbit tattoo product line for everything. I start with the Pro Glide because of its anti-inflammatory effects. For the most comfortable tattoo healing experience, you'll want to follow with the Mad Rabbit repair patches. The gel layer feels amazing on a fresh tattoo and makes it much easier to remove than products like Saniderm or Derm Shield. And by now you already know you can throw away that Aquaphor and pick up the Mad Rabbit Tattoo Soothing Gel. With its anti-inflammatory and calming ingredients, this is the best option for healing your fresh tattoo. But like I said, tattoo care does not end once your tattoo is healed, so make sure you're using a body wash with clean ingredients that protect your moisture barrier. To electrify your tattoo's vibrancy and moisturize and nourish your skin, you know it's time to grab the Mad Rabbit Tattoo Balm. It's the #1 selling tattoo balm on the market for a reason. When using it regularly, your tattoos will appear so much brighter for so much longer. And you know that the sun is a tattoo's public enemy #1, so kiss those chalky mineral sunscreens goodbye and pick up the Mad Rabbit SPF 30 mineral sunscreen and give that shit a try instead. You won't be disappointed.